PowerPoint presentation into a newspaper report. PowerPoint can be used for so much more and is very, very useful for our children. First of all, you need to open up a blank presentation. Now you need to orient the paper so that it is A4. So you go to Design at the top and you go all the way across, all the way until you get Slide Size. And then you click on Custom Slide there. At the bottom here you'll be given some options. You don't want it on landscape, you want it on portrait. So click on the portrait button and go to OK. Then you go to maximize, and then you can add your title. We're not going to add a title on this page because we want a blank page. Now I can insert another page, or I can just get rid of this. I'm going to click on the border and I'm going to go cut. I'm going to click on this border here and I'm going to go cut again. Now I have a nice blank page to work with. Now for our newspaper report, we need the background colour not quite white. We need it to look a bit like a newspaper. So choose a grey colour. When you're happy with the colour, now you can go to Insert, just as normal, and then go to Insert Text Box, all the way over this side. Drag your box and put your heading. Now that doesn't look like a newspaper heading, so we're going to change the size of that. So just like you would do in Word, you highlight it, you pick a lovely big size, and you pick a different font. Well, that's not quite big enough yet, so we'll just play around until we get it the size we want. So there's your heading for your lovely newspaper report. Now, the rest is really easy. If you want to add an image, you go to Insert again at the top, and you go to Pictures, and you find yourself one of your pictures. I'm just going to choose this one. I know it's not Christmas, but I'm going to choose it anyway. And we go to Insert. Now we can move this. This is the beauty of PowerPoint, because we can move the images where we want them to be. Now we go to Insert again, and we go to Text Box again, and we put our text box where we want it, and we start writing. This is and then you just carry on, and it is as easy as that. If you want another text box, you go to Insert again at the top, you go along to where it says Text Box, you put the text where you want it to be, and you start typing. To make a subheading, you do exactly the same thing. You go to Insert at the top and you insert Text Box. You change the font size to suit you. It's exactly the same with the bottom bit, your main bit of text. And as I put here, the good thing about using PowerPoint with children is that they can move things on the page to where they want them to be. If you're not happy with anything, you can just move it around. Also, if they make any spelling mistakes, you can check them later. You can check the spelling mistakes later and get them used to using the spell checker. Everything you need to make this newspaper report is easily accessible at the top. If you wanted your heading to be really stand out and really bold, then you could highlight it and do shape fill and give it a background colour. When you save this, you can save it to where you want on the computer, or you can save it as a PDF page and then print it out ready for use. The most important thing with this or any ebook that you might make is changing the orientation and changing the layout. Other than that, just have a play around and explore.